Hi everyone, this is the second video made by Japan to Adventure. We have a lot more coming, but wanted to show myself just for a minute to show you that it's not just it's not a big company. We are a very small unit, and we are really doing our best for everyone willing to sign up for a tour. Today's video is about the city of Sakai, located just south of Osaka. So it's really not far from the city of Osaka. It's very easy to go there, but because it's located between Kansai International Airport and the main city of Osaka, most people don't even know it exists. It doesn't even know where it is. They just don't get off the train in Sakai Station. They just directly go to the city of Osaka, so they skip a very good place which they don't know about. This city is essentially famous for three things, most of it. Historically speaking, you have the knives. In late 2019, the main kofun of the city became a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and so now they really want to show it to the rest of the world. It's beautiful. It's not as amazing as a temple or a shrine because you can go inside. In a kofun, you cannot go inside. You just see it from the outside, but the story is quite interesting. Also, the main park nearby is quite enjoyable. You also have the Museum of History of the city of Osaka. You can learn a lot about Japanese culture and history by going there. And the third thing would be probably crafts and sweets. They're very famous for sweets going with tea. They also have one more thing that not everyone would go there just for that: bicycles. So today's video is not just about talking to you about Sakai, but it's also showing you what you can do there. So in this video, I'm going to take you to the area of Sakai by using a very local tramway line that you might not be able to find by yourself because it's very small, very cheap, very local, and like that you would be able to get to the area I'm going to show you on the video by yourself easily. Just walk around and you will see that you have amazing things. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the thumb up, it costs nothing, hit the bell as well so you can be notified every time we post a new video online so you don't miss anything. For more information, please visit our website japan2adventure.com. Now let's get back to the video.